Pal, watch here and pay attention now. The goal is for you to send me your
Yes, sir.
10 test files that you made by a GitHub. Now, first of all, go and log into your GitHub, and I'll demonstrate doing that. So log into your GitHub account, and I'll do the same thing here. Am I sharing my screen? Oh, no, I wasn't sharing my screen. All right, hang on. I'll share my screen now. All right, let's do this again. So I was just saying you're going to send me your 10 test files to Mark to look at and assess via GitHub. And I'm now going to demonstrate how to do that. So you're going to start by logging into your GitHub account. So let's do that. So you know what to do by that now. Now I hope you're pretty strong in getting into your GitHub account. Now you're going to do the following. You're going to make a new repository. So step 1 is make a new repository, or step 2, I guess. The step 1 is to log in. Make a new repository. So new right there. Repository is new. And then you can just call it January 31 quiz. Jan 31 quiz. Doesn't really matter too much what you call it. Just call it something meaningful so you remember it later. And you can leave all of these as they are. You don't need to touch any of this stuff. Just leave it by itself. And now we'll say create repository. Now you're going to go here in your repository. You're going to say upload an existing file. So you're going to go right there, upload an existing file. If you see it, that's where it is. So in your new repository, you're going to click on this button right there, that link right there. And I'm dropping the link to that screenshot in your chat box as well. Next step. So now we made a repository. Now we're clicking on creating a new file, and that brings us to this panel. No, actually, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to go on upload an existing file. Upload an existing file right there. Upload an existing file. And now we can choose our files. Now, Virpal, you know which directory you made your files in, right? So you can always find that out. And if you, for some reason, forgot where you put your files, you can find it out like this. It says that Visual Studio is running, but I can't find it. Okay, I'll just kill it and start again. All right, Fear Pal, pay attention. So go to your File Explorer, which is right up there, like that looks like one paper in front of the other or something. So go to there. Oh, actually, because I don't have any files open. Let me open something I was doing before. So I'll say open folder. I gotta wait for all this stuff to finish loading up. All these extensions. Yeah, I just have to wait a minute till it finishes getting itself set up. I can't do anything in the menu right now. Hang on, just gotta wait another couple of minutes for it to finish whatever it's doing. All right, let's do it now. So File, Open, Recent. All right, Fear Pal, look, if you know where your files are, if you know which directory they're in, then that's great. But if you don't, you can do this little trick. So go to your folder and take one of your files that you made. Let's say I made file 2, for example. I can right-click and say Reveal in Explorer, right? Reveal in File Explorer. So I can right-click on one of my files and say Reveal in File Explorer, and there are some files that I made. So now I want you to drag those into your GitHub. So you do this for your own test files, right? Your own 10 test files. So there's our GitHub, and it says drag your files here. So go to your directory, drag all 10 of your files, click and drag, and let them release there. And then this class will be over in a minute. I'll go to the store. All right, Fear Pal, let's carry it on. All right. So now I've attached my files to my GitHub. There they are. And now you need to commit changes. So you say commit changes. And you're going to send me this link. So I'll show you what I mean now. You're going to copy this URL up there. And I'll test it in another browser to make sure it's working. Yeah, so then I can get your files and I can test them. So that's why we're doing this. So that's pretty much the end of it.